I've been waiting for this since last week. Yeah, I'm really excited about this package. Hopefully everything is okay. This comes from Poland, Spiders World, EU. And the packing is always on the ball. Every single time I've got packaging or anything from these guys from the Spider World, it's always been absolutely top class packing. Nice and warm still. I sent this last week. So I'm hoping that everything is okay. Obviously this has come from Poland. See, there's 5 in there. Yep. And this is a Phomictopus species green gold carapace or carapax. Unfortunately, the last one I had a bad molt in transit, and unfortunately we lost it. So this was a reconciliation, sort of, basically a refund or transfer, whatever. Same one again. That one is Poecilotheria striata. That's an eye alive and well. That is the, if I can remember correctly, Ceratogyrus brachycephalus. Yeah. I don't know what that UF stands for. I don't know. This is the Ceratogyrus CS Sanderi. Ceratogyrus sanderi. And then we have the one I've been really waiting for. Idioheli mira, the blue-footed baboon. And this is a highly sought after tarantula. So I'm very, very, very lucky. And wow. And yep, I don't fancy that getting out. That is the blue-footed baboon. As you can see, the feet are very blue. So by the looks of it, all of them are okay. And this one is not. So yeah, same again. I don't know what's going on. I hope it's malted and it's at the bottom. If not, I don't know. So what I think I'll do is stop this video and try and transfer that into another pot and see what's going on. So I'm hoping that it's just malted in transit. So fingers crossed though. Right, I'll speak to you guys in the next video. See you shortly.